There are many types of fonts that can be used for various purposes, from graphic design to document creation. Here are 4 must-have font recommendations. 1. Watched is a new font with a unique, quirky, and relaxed style. All uppercase letters have a unique variation and are complemented by combinations of lowercase letters that create a stunning writing style. This font is very suitable for movie titles, such as famous movie titles. With this font, your project will be noticed by many people. Try it and feel the difference. 2. Steal the show with Freaky Freedom font. The fonts that come with the look are free and fun to add to your movie font collection. The font consists of only uppercase letters plus ligatures. Numbers come with simple multilingual support and have a distinctive shape. This font is suitable for a variety of titles, but I designed it for the needs of a film title that will later be used as a stunning film cover like the image above that I made. 3. Introducing Yowes. Yowes is a free, casual, and colorful hand brush typeface font. Yowes is a hand brush logo type font created to make your product display more dynamic, cheerful, and fun. Yowes is a childish yet elegant font made perfect for any product display, social media content, YouTube for kids video titles, or children's book cover. Yowes is purely made for any lighthearted design that will spread happy vibes. Just like its name, Yowes. 4. Shibori is a playful typeface font created for a multi-purpose creative fun projects. Its fun, cheerful and joyful characteristics are designed for children-friendly product display. Kids storybook cover, YouTube for kids thumbnail, the font will surely sparkle the joy.